So in this video, you'll learn how to pair your Joy-Cons with your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've already disconnected your Joy-Cons or you had removed them from your Switch and they're no longer paired to your Switch, allowing you to navigate through it, then all you need to do in order for you to pair them or to reconnect them to your Switch 2 is just put them back into their ports. So go ahead and grab the Joy-Con for the left side and put it in its proper position, and do the same thing on the right hand side as well. Then once you've done that, you'll notice that you'll have successfully paired the Joy-Cons. So if you see this paired symbol appearing here for both the left and for the right, it means that you've successfully paired the Joy-Cons with the Switch. So you can go ahead and just now go back to navigating through your Switch with the Joy-Cons successfully paired. You can even confirm the pairing by just navigating to your Joy-Cons settings. And then from here, you can see it confirms that they've been paired to the console. It doesn't really matter if you ever unplug them again after you've successfully paired them, because they'll still show the connection there. So you can see down here, it says they're still connected, and now whatever motions that you do on the Joy-Cons will still be played on the Switch itself. If you even grab this so that you can now put the Joy-Cons here, then again, they're still paired to the Switch, and you can still go ahead and navigate through your Switch 2. And so that's how you can successfully pair or reconnect the Joy-Cons to your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.